Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. Right guys, so we are starting with, okay, hope it's visible, great. So let's start with Nifty and I have 4 stocks for swing trading which I have entered. Okay, which I have entered and we see Nifty is in a very good place now. But we did enter here, like as I told you guys, this is a trend line which I thought this support will definitely take it till here, but it went sideways totally. And as as we discussed already, this is the sideways market which I'm expecting. That is what is happening here. Now we have to stay quiet. Okay, I gave a small SL here today, which is totally fine. So I entered in this candle. Entered in this candle. This was my stop loss, which was not hunted, but I exited here. Okay, I exited exactly here. 50 points I kept. I exited here. I did not hold it because if it didn't want it to go, it didn't want it to go. Simple. See, if you guys see, this is a good resistant which did not break, and then when it started coming down here, I booked my profit. In the sense, I booked my loss, small loss. It's totally fine. Again, it's the same level, guys. Only if it crosses 22,155 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy it. Sell, we can only sell post 21,900 and just a minute. Oh, I don't know why this is changed. For some reason, this is changed. Just a minute. Okay, so yeah, this should, okay. So if you guys see, selling is only post 21,915 and below. We'll be looking forward to sell. We won't be selling anywhere before that. Okay, so this is a sideways market. Stay away from it. Market is taking its time to react. We have to give it time. Yeah. But if you guys see, this can definitely act like a trend line too, because this is a third touch. You see, this is a third touch. It's going. After this, it can blast. Okay, so keep that in mind. Please keep that in mind. Next is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty did give us a very good short opportunity. We shorted and I'm holding it. Okay, I have shorted it and I'm holding it. It's because my swing is here. Okay, above the swing is where my stop loss is. So I'm holding this. This is my target. This is my first target. This is my target. That is 46,375 is my first target. Yeah, and it's 1:1 trade. It's totally fine. With only one small quantity we've entered it, so I'm holding it. Buying only post 47,065 and above. I've sold it at 46,548. Okay, this is again stuck in this range bound market. We have to wait for it to break out or break down. Only then we can trade this. Next is US oil. US oil, this is acting as a very solid resistance level, and we can definitely mark this as a support level now. As of now, if it breaks $81 and 38 cents and below, I'll be looking forward to short it, and my target will be at $80.85. I'll be buying it only post $82.20 and above, nothing before that. Okay, next is gold. I entered, was in very good profit. We started booking profits here and here. This last 20% was there. Now I just booked my profit here. Yeah, so this trade looks something like this. Okay, this trade looks something like this. Actually, what happened was I trailed my stop loss here. So this is how this trade will actually look. Yeah, 1.1 is to 1.8. The risk to reward ratio kind of sucks in this. I know it's because we are trying to capture the big moves. Next, we are looking forward for the next trade in gold. If you guys see, it is on a very good trend. This can definitely be we can definitely consider this as a trend line. Yeah. After this, we can buy it. So I'll remove all these levels for now. Yeah, that's it. And we have 4 stocks for swing trading. First one is time on daily time frame. If you guys see, this was the place I was about to enter, but then market went up, so I entered somewhere at 236. My stop loss is at 215. My stop loss, this is my stop loss. I'm holding this trade. There is a very high probability it can come down, take support in this previous resistance, and then go up. If it creates a candle at 240 to 2, okay, so let's try acting as a new position. Okay, so if I get a price from anywhere from 237 to 245, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be at 215. Okay, Next is Indigo. Indigo, I've already told this, guys, this was a very potential stock. I even posted a reel on this. Whoever bought this, they are sitting at 6% profit. Even I'm sitting at 6% profit, which is really good. I don't know till where this stock's gonna go, but I'm gonna hold it. Okay. The good place to add this is if it comes down somewhere at 3330, that is 3330, definitely adding more. Or I want to see 1 2 or 3 more candles here, so I can make it as a resistance and then buy it. Okay, next is solar industries. Solar industries also, I've already bought this long ago. We bought this at 21st. We are holding it. It has a very high potential because it's a solar sector, and India's government is also working towards solar sector. So it's a future proof stock, guys. This is a future proof stock which I'm ready to buy. So I bought it here at 8925. Now the current price is 9345, 9300. Okay, so I'm definitely going to hold this. Next is Zomato. Today I bought it. Once we bought it here at 107 rupees, 108 rupees. We bought it there. Again we are buying it here. Okay, which is a very good profit. If you guys see this here, we have captured around almost from here to here, we captured around 56% in this bull run. Now again it's giving a bull run, so it's totally fine. I'm entering it here at 182. My stop loss at 156. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was informative and you guys got something to learn. This is just my trading plan. Okay, this is not a trip or a recommendation, just my view on the market. You can use this just as a references. If you guys like my content, please like, share and subscribe. There are many more changes coming to the channels to make it look clickable, because I see the click rates have gone really down. People are not watching it. It's totally fine. This is how the YouTube career starts. So if you guys like my content, please like, share and subscribe. Only if you guys support, I'll be able to grow. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.